Namaskar. Shatabdi Nrityaya, a center for yoga, dance, song, and music, is dedicated in promotion and propagation of knowledge and teaching Odissi dance and music and yoga by nationally accredited professionals. It has its own dance troupe led by international Odissi dancer Miss Shatabdi Malik and has performed in the notable dance festivals all throughout India. Apart from this, the troupe has also given Odissi dance presentations twice to ICCR in the Horizon series in Kolkata and Trivandrum. In the recent past, Shatabdi Nrityayan has presented Odissi dance recitals in the different cities of Brazil like Sao Paulo, Porto Alegre, etc. During the festival of Diwali, which was sponsored by ICCR, New Delhi, Government of India. Now, with the blessings of Lord Jagannath and all the well-wishers, Shatabdi Nrityayan cordially invites you all to the second Radha Madhava Rang Rangi Festival 2021, the festival of classical dances on the Prem Katha of Radha Krishna. Radha, the epitome of beauty, humanity, kindness, and nature, was the greatest devotee of Lord Krishna. Her devotion and dedication towards Sri Krishna was complete, for which she was the most dear one of Lord Sri Krishna. It is since Jayadeva Goswami, who wrote a famous poem Gita Govinda in the 12th century, that the topic of this spiritual love affair between the divine Krishna and his devotee Radha became a theme celebrated all throughout the country. Different art forms, especially dance, have a lot of presentations and compositions on Radha Krishna's Prem Katha. Keeping the values intact and the principle of unity in diversity, Shatabdi Nrityayan has decided to organize a festival on Sri Krishna and Radha's Prem Katha, Radha Madhava Rang Rangi, for the second time, where all the eminent classical dancers from all across the country will be invited to present their dance pieces on this spiritual love affair of Sri Krishna and Radha. Shatabdi Nrityayan is a center for learning Odissi dance. Therefore, day 1 of Radha Madhava Rang Rangi festival is marked with the performance of one of the finest exponents of Odissi dance, Sri Rajiv Bhattacharya. Sri Rajiv Bhattacharya has received his initial training from Srimati Sharmila Biswas at a very young age. He completed MA in Odissi dance from Rabindra Bharati University, Kolkata. His eagerness in specialization in Odissi dance brought him to Srijan, Guru Kelucharan Mahapatra, Odissi Nritya Basa. And he had the good fortune to receive training under the able guidance of Guru Kelucharan Mahapatra and his son, Guru Ratikanta Mahapatra. He is also an A-grade artist of Doordarshan Kendra, New Delhi, and has been empaneled as an ICCR artist as well.
Abhinaya Sunamana Harika Nam Kamana. The following item is a bhajan in the Hindi language, written by Sri R.K. Pathania. Here, the poet expresses the significance of keeping in mind and heart God's name in whatever you do, attaching one's self to passions and desires will lead only to disappointment and disillusionment. He who guides your boat across the ocean of life, how can you ignore his existence? If you fail to hear and feel Him through your own inner voice, you will get trapped in the chaos of the world around. Life is meaningless without His presence, as told in all our scriptures. The poet only tries to kindle the light within us that in its own self is the flame of eternity, that which is in the Lord's name and the realization of Him, the Lord, in all that we continue to do. Raga Mishra Kaushiki Kanara, Tal Adi Tala. Choreography Guru Sri Rotikanto Mohapatro. Music Pandit Hari Prasad Chaurasia.
हरि का नाम कमाना, हरि का नाम कमाना। सुनो मन सुनो मन, हरि का नाम कमाना, हरि का नाम कमाना। राग द्वेष और भोग की ओर में और की जोड़ तोड़ में जब भागे तब भय ही जागे, जब भागे तब भय ही जागे। अंत निराशा पाना, पार कहाँ ते पाना। सुन मन, सुन मन, हरि का नाम कमाना, हरि का नाम कमाना। जग के शोर में तू भर माया, अंतरवाणी सुन न पाया। जग के शोर में तू भर माया, अंतरवाणी सुन न पाया। वासुदेव हरि तेरे भीतर कहे गए वेद पुराण, कहे गए वेद पुराण। सुन मन, सुन मन, हरि का नाम कमाना, हरि का नाम कमाना। नाम उसी के, नाम उसी का, जतन उसी का, हार जीत भी। नाम उसी के, नाम उसी का, जतन उसी का, हार जीत भी। हाथ कमाया, हाथ प्रभु के, हाथ कमाया, हाथ प्रभु के। जितने जाए जाना, सुन मन, सुन मन, हरि का नाम कमाना। मिले सुख निर्मल पाए, चैन मिले सुख निर्मल पाए, जग उस ज्योत समाना, जग उस ज्योत समाना। सुन मन सुन मन हरि का नाम कमाना, हरि का नाम कमाना। राग द्वेष और भोग की ओर में और की जोड़ तोड़ में, जब भागे तब भय ही जागे, जब भागे तब भय ही जागे, अंत निराशा को जाना। सुन मन हरि का नाम कमाना, हरि का नाम कमाना। सुन मन हरि का नाम कमाना, हरि का नाम कमाना, हरि का नाम कमाना, हरि का नाम
The second performance of the day will be by Srimati Vrindya Chadha, a senior disciple of the renowned Odissi dance exponent Padma Shri Guru Ranjana Gohar. Vrinda has trained herself under her guru for the last 19 years and is a professional Odissi performing artist, repertoire member and teaching faculty at her guru's academy. She holds a master degree in philosophy from Lady Shri Ram College for Women, Delhi University, and has received the National Scholarship for Odissi Dance from the Ministry of Culture, Government of India. She is empaneled with the Indian Council for Cultural Relations as well as with the Doordarshan. She will be beginning her dance presentations with Radha Rani Sange Nache Murli Pani, an Oriya song that depicts Radha dancing with her eternal lover and playful friend Krishna, the one who holds the flute. The composition is based on Tal, Ekatali, Rag, Pilu. Dance choreographed by Guru Srimati Ranjana Gohar. The accompanying musicians are as follows: Vrinda's Guru Padma Shri Ranjana Gohar on Manjira, Shri Sharoj Mohanty on male vocals, Shrushi Najia Alam on female vocals, Shri Prafulla Mangaraj on Mardala, Shri Ramesh Chandra Das on violin, and Shri Dheeraj Kumar Pandey on flute.
तारी ता झेण ताजम तारी ता झेणुता तारिता झिणा अजम तारिता हिणुता राधा राणी
संगे नाचे मुरली पाणी राधा
राणी
संगे नाचे मुरली पाणी
राधा राणी संगे नाचे मुरली पाणी
राधा राणी संगे नाचे मुरली पाणी
राधा राणी संगे नाचे मुरली पाणी
राधा राणी संगे नाचे
मुरली पाणी
आहा की सुंदर दिसे आहा की सुंदर
दिसे त्रिभंग ठाणी पंक चाहणी
कामिनी जिणी राधा राणी संगे नाचे मुरली पाणी राधा राणी संगे नाचे
मुरली पाणी काटी तटे किणी बाजोई किणी किणी
कोटी तोटे किणी बाजोई किणी किणी
कोटी तटे किणी
बाजोई किणी किणी कोटी तोटे किणी बाजोई किणी किणी कोटी तोटे किणी बाजोई किणी
किणी
छंदे छंदे उकुटाई छंदे छंदे उकुटाई छंदे छंदे उकुटाई छंदे छंदे उकुटाई नुपुर ध्वनि बाजे किंकिणी जुगल ठाणी राधा राणी संगे नाचे
मुरली पाणी
राधा राणी संगे नाचे
मुरली पाणी
गुप्त मंडप रे हरि गोपी बालक धरी गुप्त मंडप रे हरि गोपी बालक धरी
हरि खेळुछन्ति हरि
करे धरी पिचकारी हरि खेलुछन्ति हरि करे धरी पिचकारी हरि खेलुछन्ति हरि करे धरी पिचकारी आहा की सुंदर साजे অল্পতরুণী মনমোহিনী রাধা রানী সঙ্গে নাচে মুরলী পাণি
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 Vrinda will now be presenting her next composition, Palane Jhulave Yashoda Hari, which is based on the mother's love for her baby. The mother is trying to rock her baby to sleep by singing a lullaby. The naughty baby teases and plays with the mother by pretending to sleep, but as the mother moves away to do her household chores, the baby starts crying, drawing her attention. The lyrics of this beautiful song are written by Saint Poet Surdas in the medieval period and can be seen as one of the finest examples representing the intense love of a mother. This piece has been choreographed by Guru Srimati Ranjana Gauhar ji. Its music has been composed and sung by Srimati Meena Banerjee.
पालने झुलावे जसोदा कबहु पलक हरि मूंद